Hi, I'm Macy from the Charleston County Public Library, and thanks for watching this virtual program. September is Library Card Sign-Up Month, and your Charleston County Library card is the key to a wealth of information and resources for free. Of course, we have tons of books. We also have movies, telescopes, museum passes, and gaming tablets for kids. And your library card gives you access to tons of digital content, like ebooks, audiobooks, music, and magazine subscriptions, plus access to databases for professional development, learning a new language, and genealogy research. Your library card is available for free if you live in Charleston County. Just stop by your neighborhood branch with your proof of address and your ID. For more information, visit ccpl.org.
Good morning. My name is Michelle and I'm a reference librarian at the Johns Island Regional Library. Today I stopped by the Park Circle Butterfly Garden to see what they had going on here, and I found a wealth of butterflies, caterpillars, and blooming flowers. It's just beautiful. During this time of isolation and social distancing, being able to go into community gardens to visit nature has been one of my favorite pastimes. I love the little garden up here. Has lots of natives and naturalized plants, which brings a lot of butterflies into the garden. You can hear a hawk calling for one of the trees right now. And here are the various butterflies you'll see if you visit the Park Circle Butterfly Garden. So just this morning, coming to the garden, I've been able to hear a hawk, see lots of Gulf fritillary and monarch butterflies, caterpillars, and a baby bird begging its mom.